On Thursday evening, the Director General of Police Meghalaya, Dr. L R Bishnoi, while being accompanied by the Superintendent of Police City East Khasi Hills, Vivek Same, and other officials, had visited Jaiaw locality where assault cases had recently taken place. The DGP had met and spoken with youths of the locality as well as with the owner of ES restaurant located at Jaiaw Main Road, where two interns from Kerela were recently assaulted by unknown miscreants. The purpose of his visit was to personally assess the situation and also get first-hand knowledge about the incidents of manhandling of non-tribals by miscreants in and around Jaiaw locality. It may be mentioned that the police were able to arrest 11 of those involved in the incidents, and currently further investigation is on to arrive at a more vivid picture into the nature of such incidents.
With helmet, for whom you are waiting?
Waiting for customer in Rapido.
Waiting for Rapido?
No, sir, these are Rapido drivers, sir.
Rapido driver?
Yeah. Okay. They take a pillion rider with them. And they drop them wherever.
Okay.
All over Shillong.
All over Shillong, you pick up the passenger, drop from one place to another. All are Rapido driver. Very good. Keep it up. Okay, all the best. So basically, we have visited some areas to understand the problems faced by the people and simultaneously also to supervise the existing security arrangement. If the need arises, we can strengthen the existing security. That is why I decided to speak and interact with the citizens here so that they can tell us any problem is there or not. So I am very happy that most of the people, they are satisfied with the existing security arrangement, and we will continue to dominate the area so that the miscreants should not create any problem here. So that was the purpose of visit, and just also to understand the nitty-gritties of the area, local problems here, because these are the area like Harijan Colony, Jaiaw areas, and some other areas where we are receiving complaints about the drug abuse and other things. So that is why I decided to come and see personally the areas, the topography also, and to interact with the people also.
Do you have any plan to...
Sure. Next week, most probably Tuesday, we will be meeting with all the headmen there along with the team of my officer, and we will definitely interact with them, understand their view of problems here in the area, and we will seek their support and help.